Hey everyone, welcome to Capital Finance, your go-to channel for business ideas, entrepreneurship, investment, and personal finance. Do you know the total number of millionaires in the United States of America? What if I told you that in 2021, there were approximately 20.2 million millionaires here? Meanwhile, imagine how many billionaires there are around the globe. Everywhere you look, there are those who have made it big, while thousands of new individuals join the group daily. There are only three ways to become a millionaire. Additionally, only 20% of billionaires are descended from wealthy families, while the other 80% earned their fortunes through hard work and perseverance. 56% of the 2,755 billionaires in the world are self-made. There are decent odds of becoming rich even if you were not born into a wealthy family. Before we start, show some love by liking this video and dropping a comment below. So now, let's begin. The first road people can take is the side road. Those who take this road are often on the verge of financial ruin because they are more concerned with living their ideal life right now than saving for the future. Even if they make $1 million, they will still remain to be poor as a result of their decisions. This could be anyone like professional athletes, artists, or even the average person like you and me. Events like getting injured and getting little to no TV and music projects can cause someone to get bankrupt. After retirement, the chances of staying a millionaire or billionaire are pretty low, despite having a very successful career. Even though it sounds ridiculous, this is a reality for many people. There isn't enough time to learn about finance and investment, and it takes a lot of effort to be at the top. Less than 1% of amateur athletes make it to the professional ranks. As your job progresses, you may find it difficult to return to a more everyday living since you've been accustomed to a wealthy lifestyle. In less than 2 years, you're most likely to get broke. The number of athletes who are able to develop a successful company while at the same time rising to the top of their sport is incredibly rare. Even the wealthiest people in the world, like Durant, may become broke. A lot of people wouldn't want to get broke. A lot of people are walking the side road these days. Thanks to the rise of social media, every time you take out your phone, you're reminded of the lavish life of other people. You work hard, but whatever money you earn, you spend it on the latest gadgets and go on a vacation so that you have something to share on your feed. You're not anxious about the future since you believe you'll be successful one day. Just know that it's unlikely that you will. As a result, the side road isn't the best choice. Next is the slow road. This road guarantees you get rich when you reach 75. Most parents will tell their children that if they work hard in school and earn high grades, they will be financially secure when they reach 75 years old. They will also tell them to save 10% of their income and invest in the stock market and health insurance. Congratulations, you've made it to the other side. The problem with living life on the slow road is that you'll have to give up your youth to enjoy your retirement years as you'd like. This is not recommended, since once you reach old age, you will never be as young as active as you were years before. You can't control the time. Asking for a 100% raise from your boss is a quick way to lose your job. So, if you decide to follow this road, remember that you won't be able to drive that luxury when you're young. You won't be able to travel the world or have youthful experiences since you'll be old and frail. Then on Monday, you'll go back to captivity since you'll have to wait until Friday before you're free again. Investing began for Warren Buffett when he was just 11 years old, and he made his first million at 31. With no stock market experience under your belt at the age of 25, how long do you think it will take for your portfolio to grow to $1 million? Nonetheless, it's probably the best technique for many individuals. Although you'll have an average life, you'll also have a sound financial future. Quite a few millionaires in the United States have pursued this route as it's reliable, stable, and tested. Lastly, the fast road. Instead of sacrificing now for tomorrow or tomorrow for today, the concept focuses on the here and now. Get out there and make a difference in the lives of a lot of people. In order to create value, you need to have something to offer. With his creation of Facebook, Mark Zuckerberg became a multi-billionaire in just a matter of years. His invention had great value that people wanted. A business' ultimate goal is to provide value to customers in various ways. Just like when you get your meals from the grocery store in your neighborhood or the restaurant down the street. Both are conveniently located for you. You also enjoy the videos made available to you by a certain YouTuber you follow, while Amazon is a time saver and convenience for shopping. There is no limit to how much you may earn on this road. To achieve financial independence over the next 6 months is entirely up to you. Unlike those on the slow road, you won't have to ask your boss for a wage increase. Your future isn't in jeopardy because you're gonna utilize that money to invest in real estate, patents, and businesses while turning to passive income. The problem with the slow road is that you'll need to invest a lot of time before producing something of real value for a large market. Although it may be challenging, most people will never be able to achieve this goal since alternative options appear more enticing. For example, financing a $40,000 Tesla over 5 years because that's all you could afford isn't wealth, but the imitation of wealth. What you're doing is deceiving yourself. You may still wonder how folks can afford to go on a vacation if they don't even have $1,000 in their savings account. It's not the possessions that make you wealthy, but the ability to know that you can afford them. Poverty isn't a choice. This happens when people make a series of terrible decisions which leads them there. Thank you so much for finishing this video. If you're new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell to get updated on my latest uploads. See you